ASMR. It's a perfect setup. I like this. The camera. Got a filter kit. Got a macro close-up lens kit. This is good, especially for taking nail pics and stuff, y'all. My husband Snap, y'all. We got some good old stuff. Okay, this is a lens cap, looks like. Card reader. Got the deluxe starter kit to clean your digital camera. We need this really good. We got a mini tripod, some sensor swabs, cleaning cloth, memory card, all that good stuff. And we love this. We love it. We have SD cards. We need them. We need them. We love it. Really good. How baby? This is different cleaning kit. This is really helpful to show you how to download your photo and videos, your applications using the link. A good old tripod. This is dope because a lot of cameras don't come with a tripod, y'all. So we're gonna save the best for last for sure. But this is a cute camera bag for travel. We like that. Oh, this is another piece for the cleaning. The best for last. What? Oh, we get a year warranty, y'all. Help us go green. We love that. Good old USB. I don't think the last Sony ZVE 10 came with that. The charger block. Ooh. Look at that baby. She really want to be involved. Like that. These dogs smell like a boil. Okay, this is the mic. The noise cancellation. We love it. Charger cord. She in the camera, licking her tongue out. Battery pack. And good old Sony strap for carrying around. Dun 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 dun. The grand finale, darling. Look at her, she like, what the fuck y'all doing? Look at this family. And this is what you need. The Media Kit lens. Do not order the camera by itself with no lens. Learn from the mistakes, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. So we got the flip out camera. Looking good. So you can film this way and then watch yourself, or you can flip it around and then do it that way. And you can flip here and then keep it like that. So that works. So let's get her started up. Here is the slot for the battery pack and the SD card. It snaps in just like that. SD card will go here. For now, we're just going to get it up and running, and then micro. Yeah, but this bad boy is nice. So to release, press this button and take the lens off. We're back in action. So we're gonna get charged up and then show you guys after. Come on, Sony. Come on, Sony. Hey, hey, hey. Come on, Sony. Come on, Sony. Hey, hey, hey.